And boom, bitch, I'm back by popular demand. Period.
Hey guys, not the best way to start the vlog, but welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Check, so I coming down with the flu, so I might sound a little stuffy, or my energy might be weak or down, but it's just because I get some flu. Right now, I'm going to get the haircuts. So I could head to town because today's my friend's birthday. I'm going out. So, guys, follow me. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out switching sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow. Okay guys, so I've been to the barber shop. And I really wasn't going to vlog in, but let's check in. Why not? Yeah. Okay guys, so currently heading, don't know where we're heading, but we're gonna find something to do and then come to Sierra because it's Sierra's birthday, so I'll catch back with you guys. Hey guys, so it is currently 2 p.m. Today is Saturday. I didn't really vlog yesterday. Yeah, I don't have no reason or no excuse to make. But today I'll be going on the beach with my friends. Going to have this bonfire. It starts at 4:30. So right about now I'm just chilling. There's actually a bike show going on right now, like right where I am right now. I could try to show you guys. I'll show you guys a clip of that. But I'll be taking you guys along with me today. So yeah. So the bike show is like right there. Right over there. But when the bike's passing, I'll show you guys what's going on. I had to go, but then plans change, and then I had to go tomorrow. But then I woke in, so unfortunately I cannot go and see. But there's an after party tomorrow. Hopefully I'll be able to go. start to race to the car match. But that's unreal. Okay. Probably still a little bit longer, but that Sunday not making no. It's a bit too hot. But yeah, I'm just gonna add that clip in that. Oh, it's not ready. But when I reach on the beach, on my way to the beach, I'll talk to you guys. Okay, guys, so currently I'm at Kiana's, Brianna's.
Okay, tell a friend to call you she pass.
And we are going to meet the bus right now.
Look like that.
Yeah? So yeah, we going on the bridge, Kiana. And boom, bitch, I'm back by popular demand, period. As a mother. Woo. Woo. And we always shop, yeah? You know? Don't fuck with us.
I don't know which boy.
Okay, guys, so just waiting. Waiting for the rest. We're going by Fresh Markets. You coming? Okay, guys, I don't think John opened inside Fresh Market. But huh? Did I buy it? I have to pay for it? Oh, you fucking stupid, man. Don't touch. Jay, you quiet, you good?
She felt a flight, nigga, can't even see me on way out of here, I'm too far to sky. Hermes, ash for the dark, my ash. Bitch so pretty, little better than Cassie. Puffin' on Zooters and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and I gas. Came out the gutter, they never me the swaggin'. Security bag, got a bitch, I'm a baggin'. Turning it up, gotta make sure she good. Park a 2 mil in the middle of my hood. Drinking the mud I made out of the sewer. Chrome heart accessory, do whatever, I'm good. A lot of these niggas, they looking the same.
Okay, guys, so Currently, we're in the beach. I guess we're having a good time. But I don't put the camera in everybody's face. Okay? We're going to pray now. Hey guys, we're at the beach. It's lit.
But you got the light now?
And chopped up. Yeah.
I said effective, man.
But
Anyways, guys, we don't know what's cooking, but it is
summer diaries. Fuck. Good morning, guys. What's up? Today's Monday. Today's Monday. What I'm going to do is get ready for the gym. The vlog that I tried to make, which was I was editing last night and I realized that very short and it's all over the place. But I've been taking like what's this gym, you know? Okay, so I'm done dealing with my head because I don't want my waves to mess up. Yeah, so like I was saying, I barely recorded for the 2 days, and it's because I was trying to make in them reels for Instagram, and I did everything on my phone. So it's like, if I'm being honest, my main focus was the reels because I haven't done one in a while. So I was just trying to do that. You know, so I missed a few clips and taking you guys along with me today to think. So yeah, the weekend was good, I'd say. The weekend was okay. There was this bike festival, right? And I really wanted to go, like really wanted to go. I'm not obsessed with bikes, but I like to hear the noise. I don't know if that's a crazy thing, but I like to hear the noise the bike does make. I don't know why. I just like to hear it. So, but I cannot get to go because I had to work, of course. But there's something exciting coming up, so I just want you guys to stay tuned. You know, just know good vibes come out, which is good. Let me say amen to that. It's like I just be talking to myself on a daily basis, right? Talking to myself. As soon as I put up the camera, I don't know what to see. I don't know why. I really don't know why. What I can talk about. What I can talk about for you. What has happened in my life? What can I talk about? Life really boring. Really, all this my business. So it's like nothing exciting that's happening, and I like that for me. You know, I like the fact that my life don't have no, what we call that? I guess you would say drama or like nonsense happening. The only things that was really happening in my life just take place at work, and I don't think I can talk about it. So, well, at least on camera. Check. But yeah, see, like things that's be happening to me. Things that's barely, I don't say things that's barely happening to me, but like the crazy things people have been going through with friends and family, and it just happens to me because my circle is smaller. Yeah. Okay. Put my shoes on. I feel like we had started vlogging the stats. Like, then again, we start at 2 devices. So like, I feel like my vlogs are longer in the stats. Because at that time I had 2 phones. So I could record on one. No, I just have one. Just my personal phone. And I hope to get a camera soon. Like, yeah. So I'm going to just scroll on my phone for a little bit, put my shit, get some to eat, brush my teeth and head out. But when I'm going to do that, I will just check back with you guys, of course. Yeah. Okay, so what's up? Quick snack. So cheese sandwich. Well, yeah, let that cool down and then start to eat. Okay. I don't have any specific time that I should be in the gym for. It's probably 10 something. I just know when I reach in the gym, I reach in the gym. And then when I come back home, I have to relax myself. You know, because I like to sleep. I don't know if it's a trauma response, but as of now, I just like to sleep. Like when I sleep in, I feel like everything is be so at peace. And I'm nothing to worry about. I just look forward to sleeping. So anyway, because I'm an overthinker, right? So I feel like when you say go and sleep, I have to think about nothing. So to just go and sleep. Yeah, so I can let that cool down so that I could eat hot. I've been honest. I know that's my best, but we'll get there. We'll definitely get there. For sure. Yeah.
Ain't changed, I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Brother get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out sushi, sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta smoke. Round with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these records too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some bitch boat. Make the bro hit this nigga and start getting low. I spent time on the rest on the Lambo and didn't even know how to put them motherfuckers low. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. Barely fit for no play. Follow behind in the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the promise. I feel weary. Oh, he ain't enough. I fuck with shots and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz and a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit, pipe it up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can pipe her up. They my last and no wipe her up. Count the money up, feel like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Keep the rules, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rest, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. We can hit after he call me very fun. For the Christmas, I bought everybody. Lost in
Spiders. Sex. Yeah. 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 want for sure, you gon' need 3 promoters. I got the body from Jim Ellis, but I had switched the motor. I got these badass bitch running around this bitch, they all the coders. Yeah, I just told her make a stoner. Yeah, I just bought all the Trojans. Yeah. I told her stab my nicks. I told her stop telling everything she seen and told her meet me at the Ritz. I got baguettes in the back of my ring and I wasn't even trying to hit. I told her she gotta run through the team before she can talk to the lit. Let him talk, I just pulled up in some fools. I told her mama tie all my shoes. Showed her 2 million cash, now she woozy. 20 lunches and I'm still snoozing. I had came up out the trenches, then I had beat a few bodies like Boosie. She said you work on my show, you my coochie. I had to sing to this bitch like Latusi. Yeah, woo, yeah, bitch got a backwood on her nightstand, she must be fucking with Ghana. I fuck with slacks and we gonna eat rats and I came with some fucking piranhas.
Got a bitch Scotty, I got in my well, need somebody grow me a tree. Came out the hood in my truck, got a hood knife, pick up the car with no keys. Beat it, she for the street knee. Only one she got hit at the spinning knee. I feel a little rich this week, to influence my family to not be cheap. I told her FN on me, I need she needs just a Glocky key. Do rollin' sisi, locked in seats. We rollin' that coupe with a bucket seats. Got her that mud like a football clique. I use a drop out of that photo G. Call her the plug and he know what I need. We stay underneath so we hardly speak. Yeah, from in New York, cash money. Yeah, ain't the same man, but I'm stunning. Yeah, one of these guys wanna love me. Yeah, that wife, he didn't know love me, love me. Yeah, woo, yeah. Bitch got an X stain on her jeans. I know she fucking with others.
I fuck with slacks and we gonna eat rats and I came with some fucking piranhas.
So I forgot to close up the vlog, but this is the end of the vlog. Make sure you guys like, you comment down below and you hit that subscribe button so you'll not miss any videos that I drop in the future.